Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your open chat in Kakaotalk. So to do this is really simple. So in the first place, why do you have to fix open chat in Kakaotalk? So probably it's not working because restrictions apply. So such as behavior that are subject to open chat restrictions are as follows in this list as you can see right here. So harmful activities, promoting unwanted parties, and many much more. So to do this, you will have to make a new open chat. So to do this, all you have to do is go here in the bottom right corner, open chat, enter chat room name, and place a profile picture if you want to, and then share the link. From there, you can share the link, and then here, they will be able to open it, and then here you go. So after you have opened it, you'll be able to have multiple members and you're also able to leave and delete the link. So as you can see here, you have the power to delete the link, and here it will ask you if you want to delete the link. So the open chat specifications are up to 500 participants and one-to-one chat up to 50 people. Each user can create up to 10 links, and the creator can ban inappropriate users and also report them. So picture, video, voice note, contact, location is also available here, and also in Android, iOS, and PC it is available. So that is how you fix your open chat in KakaoTalk. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.